In today's video, we are going to look at writing improper fractions as mixed numbers with picture models. My example of fraction is 3/2, and that is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Okay, what I'm going to do is talk to you in terms of pizzas. Okay, so I'm going to draw one pizza, and I know that my denominator is 2, so that means I'm working with halves. I'm going to split my pizza in half and label it half and half. So this gives me 2 halves or 1 whole pizza. That does not give me the 3 full halves I'm looking for though. So I'm going to draw a second pizza and split it in half and again label each half. Okay, now you can see I've got 2 whole pizzas here. And if I look at my original improper fraction, you can see I've got 3 halves. I'm going to shade in enough halves to give me those 3 halves. So let's look. 1 half, 2, and 3 halves. Okay, so that gives me 1 full pizza and 1 half pizza. This is how I would write my improper fraction as a mixed number, would be 1 and 1 half. So I'm going to challenge you to try a second problem. I want you to pause the video after I give you the fraction and try it on your own. So the fraction I would like you to try is 6/5. Okay? Now's a good point to pause the video and go ahead and try this. When you've attempted it, go ahead and hit play, and the rest of the problem will be here for you to check your work with. So, I did the same thing as I did with my first example that I gave you, and I looked at this in terms of pizza. So I'm going to draw one pizza, and I know that my denominator is 5, which means I'm dealing with a pizza that's cut into 5 pieces. As best I can, I'm going to divide this pizza into 5 even pieces and label them each 1/5. Once I've done that, I'm going to count them up. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fifths, okay, or 1 whole pizza. That still doesn't give me 6/5, so I'm going to draw a whole separate pizza and divide it again into 5 equal pieces. Again, label them. And again, I'm going to shade in 6/5 between the 2 pizzas. And again, I told you we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fifths in our first pizza, or 1 whole, and I still need 1 more, so I'm going to shade in 1/5 of our second pizza. Now, that gives me 1 and 1/5 of a pizza. So 6/5 as an improper fraction is 1 and 1/5 as a mixed number.